Cheolsu and Youngie are trying to share the cake together. Cheolsu was bold enough to divide the cake into two and choose the one for himself ahead of Youngie. He ate the cake with an assumption that it was cut exactly into two, but Youngie was unsatisfied with it because she doubted that he actually had more cake for himself. Likewise, Cheolsu was not happy about Youngie's mistrust. Why does the grass always seem greener on the other side of the fence? In psychology, the idea of the grass being always greener on the other side of the fence is known as egocentric bias. Many social conflicts stem from this circumstance. There is a fair solution to resolve this. That is to differentiate the person who cuts and the person who makes choices. By doing so, the cutter will become more prudent, and the chooser will make the best choice for oneself. However, our society is prevalent with conflicts because those with power do both cutting and choosing. In addition, the dissatisfaction persists because it happens behind the curtains. We see a lot of these cases in our everyday life. The bus always comes late for me. My friend's son always gets better grades. The traffic in the lane I took is always stuck compared to the one beside me. My friend who works at a restaurant and gets paid more than my monthly salary. Why do we get stuck in these thoughts despite fair circumstances? It's because the grass is always greener on the other side of the fence. We observe a lot of these kinds of cases in network marketing as well. I run as fast as I can, but neither my salary nor title raise. But why does my friend who doesn't work as hard get paid more than I do? Why do some people who started working at the same time as me get promoted while I don't? There must be something. There must be someone behind their back. There must be an illegal misconduct, misconception, discomfort. As those doubts raise, so do the conflicts within the organizations and the companies. Why does this happen? It's because we only look at the outcomes of others, not the processes. We never know how hard they have tried and work to achieve those outcomes. Is it always my work be the most hard, difficult, and critical? Here, the role of the management and leaders is very significant. When you live with doubts that things are unfair, it will demotivate yourself. And if things get worse, the doubts will become what you believe, ultimately bringing about the misconduct that destroys everything. These can occur when there are some uncertainties and miscommunications within the organizations. The best way to resolve it is to promote transparent communications between the management, leaders, and employees. All of us are potential leaders. When we continue to communicate with others in a transparent manner, misconceptions and doubts will be cleared up. We can all develop healthy and vibrant organizations and companies.